This 8-gallon Campbell Hausfeld compressor stands out for combining substantial air capacity with a very compact, portable footprint that suits both garages and job sites. Its quiet operation, rated around 65 decibels, makes it far more comfortable to use in enclosed spaces than many traditional shop compressors. The oil-free pump design means there is no messy lubrication to track and virtually no routine pump maintenance, which is a real advantage for busy homeowners and professionals. Powered by a 120-volt motor and delivering up to 125 pounds per square inch, it has enough punch for common tasks like tire inflation, brad nailing, stapling, and light automotive work. Large wheels and a solid rubber-coated steel handle make it easy to roll across rough floors or driveways, so moving it between work areas is straightforward. Overall build quality feels rugged enough for frequent use, giving confidence that the tank, fittings, and controls will hold up over years of regular projects.